What's the meaning of causative? Causative. Causative.
Causative. Causative. Causative describes the relationship between an action and its results. It refers to the fact that one event or action causes another event or action to occur. The causative form is used to indicate that someone or something caused an action to happen, rather than the action happening on its own. For example, Mary had her car washed implies that Mary caused someone else to wash her car, rather than washing it herself. In general, the causative form is used to describe situations where one thing is causing another thing to happen, either intentionally or unintentionally.